Hi everyone, let's take a look at the content for week 2 in EDU 279. We're going to take a look over in Blackboard. I've already opened up the week 2 folder here. You'll see you have reading assignments. You have an online learning module through the IRIS Center, and there's a link to that just below the overview here. You need to make arrangements to interview an elementary school teacher. That interview is not due until next week, but of course, especially at the beginning of the school year, lots of planning has to go into place for that, so you want to start making arrangements for that. You do have a discussion board, a journal, and a reading research assignment that's due this week. We first talked about the reading research paper last week, so you've had 2 weeks to work on it. It will be due next Monday. Real quick, let's scroll down. The other thing that you need to be prepared to do this week is to submit your information about your school observations. We've already talked several times about the requirement of this class to observe in a classroom for 2 hours per week. I did upload a updated course schedule. Nothing changed on the course schedule, but I did add grade level recommendations for the different observations. This is why you are looking for an elementary school, not a specific elementary school classroom, because these observations will happen at different grade levels. For example, the first thing we will talk about is emergent literacy, and that is most likely to be observed in a preschool classroom, maybe a kindergarten classroom, but that is a teaching strategy. And as you see, when we go through the different content modules, we're also building on the developmental level of the children. So as we move through the content, older classrooms will be more likely to be delivering the type of instruction you need to observe. So we'll start with preschoolers and work our way up as we think about how literacy skills develop over time. So be sure to get your reading done, your online training module from the IRIS Center, the discussion board and journal assignment, and your reading research paper this week. And let me know how things are coming with your volunteer application and aligning yourself to a elementary school for observations. I hope you have a great week. I'm here if you need anything, and I'll talk to you soon.